Hello guys, I'm on the shopping spree recently and I spent so much money that I don't have. So I thought I was gonna come and share what I've bought recently because why not? So I think first of all, the thing that I really loved, I've bought it in Tiger. As you probably might figure out, or some of you might know, that I absolutely am crazy about teddies. Why not? Come on. Who doesn't like teddies? If you don't like teddies, there's something wrong with you. It's a lamp. I don't know if you can see that. I bought 3 of those and I just hang it on my wall as a neon lamp because it is a neon in a way. So that's what's up. I also went to Sports Direct. And I remember, I think a year ago, I have seen a lady with a Puma shoes like this. What I really loved about this shoe is the fact that it has that strip with Puma on it. I thought it looks really cool. In my opinion, makes your foot looks very slim and slimming down. This is what I need. So I bought those shoes. And I am one of those lucky people, and this is the super shopping life hack that you should be using, and if you're not using it, you're very wrong. If you've got a shoe size 5, 5.5, or 6, you have probably a big chance of finding your size of a shoes that you're looking for in a junior section. This shoe size is 5.5, and probably you would be able to find such shoe size in the female section, but the female section is £33 and these were £26. They're obviously on sale. The female are also on sale, I think. So these were discounted from £39.99 to £26. I believe in female sections they were like £49.99 to £33. I'm not sure, but obviously they are more expensive. They're always more expensive. 26 quid. Another thing from Tiger, if you are in UK or if you are in a place that has Tiger in, the thing that I really need to recommend you are those small brollies from Tiger. I love those brollies. These umbrellas are the only one who are literally wind resistant. I have discovered that the Tiger's brollies, those short ones, they also have polka, white polka with a black background, which I already have. But I recently realized that I always tend to lose them or leave them somewhere or do something to them, like I step on them or something. So that's the only reason why they break. They never usually break. This is the blue one. Oh my god, my face looks so yellow now. So this is the blue one. You see? Oh my god, this is magic. Why is my face so yellow? This is bullshit. So this is the brolly, and they're super strong, and brolly like this costs £5, which is not a lot for the brolly. So I've been wearing a silver jewelry for like ages, but only recently. I think the reason for that is because I haven't worn them for a long time, because of pandemic. And I opened my jewelry box the other day, and majority of my jewelry was basically black. Okay, it was black. So I accidentally found out this product that it's silver sparkle, mild strength, which means it's medium, liquid cleaner for silver jewelry. So I'm like, shit, I'm really gonna buy it. So I bought it. It costed me £5. I know you can buy it in, probably you can find it on like online shops and stuff, but I've bought it in John Lewis. It was £5. It looks a little bit like this. Town Talk, that's the brand. It comes with a little like polishing cloth and a little brush. And you've got that little tube, and you unscrew the lid, and you've got something like that. Don't worry, there's a foil on the top of it. So you've got that little tray underneath there. So I think what happens is you lift that tray, you put your jewelry on, and you put back in that tube and you leave it for, I think, 5 or 15 minutes. There is an instruction somewhere. So, and then you can either, you know, scratch it out with a little brush if it's a bit too, if the dirt is not coming off that easily, and you can just then polish it with a mist. I haven't tried it, but I've read the reviews. It's apparently very good, so I'm gonna give it a go. So I've got those Yankee candles. I don't know, there's like soccer insets, plugins, probably like I would call them scent plugins. So you can buy those, like I think they're 3 for 2, which is gonna probably cost you £10. But those insets, so you buy the box of them like that. There are 2 in one pack, and they normally cost $6.99. But because the box was damaged somewhere in the warehouse, so it was discounted to $3.99. So I've basically bought a half price. I think loads of the Yankee Candle places are gonna have these, which is basically the pack of 3 scent inserts, scent refills, sorry. And normally you would spend £20.97, but they were costing me, the 3 of those were, which is 6 like refills in total, costed me £14, which is not bad because it's like £2 for one. So I bought these in Yankee Candle. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you some shit that I've bought in accessories, which are mostly stationery or like little bits and bobs. So first thing that I've bought is that cute little rainbow stuff, which is basically their highlighters. Love that. I always buy stuff like that. I love highlighters. I love stationery in general. I always use it. I always run out of it. And if it looks cool, and that little rainbow stuff was... Oh, it was only £1.05, not £1.75. So the things I bought, they were already... Oh, so that's cheaper. I'm so clever. Girl, I'm so clever. So I've bought this super cute earphone case. Cute. It says it's from iPod, but it doesn't have to be. Who says that? No. Another thing that I've bought, because I obviously have too much money, are the bobby pins, because I really like cute stuff, because I'm a little girl. So I'm gonna just basically show you what I look like. So I've got this, and I've got this, and I've got this, and I've got this one as well. So that's basically what it looks like. Oh, I've got one more. One more. That's what's up. So that one was, so that's a little pom-poms in there. Because why not? Because I can. So there are pom-pom slides. There are 150. So pack, not each, 150 per pack. And I love those little little bits and bobs like that, because when I go to work and when I need to tie my hair and I need to pin them or something, I can always add those little pom-pom stuffs. So accessories, 150. Oh my god, I'm gonna break these so bad. And those little cute slides. Wait, this is this side. And there are the rainbow colors. I already took them out of the little box. I'm just going to show you what it is. So that's the color. Ooh, my hair. That's another color. So there were 5 of those. So you've got yellow on my hair, and you've got that one as well. Cute. So I went to TK Maxx, and oh my god, I always wanted to have shit from Juicy Couture. So I went and got something from Juicy Couture. So these are the Juicy Couture leggings I'm talking about. They do have Juicy Couture saying like on the side, right? They're full on length leggings, not like 7/8, 3/4, 1/3. No, nothing like that. And they costed 19.99. If you like Juicy Couture, you really have to run to TK Maxx right now, because they're gonna be sold out. Like literally, they were like last 2 pairs. I bought that cute pink holographic peel off. I did have a neon peel off mask before, but when I saw it's pink holographic, I gotta try it. So I bought this. It was 1.99, not too bad. Another thing that I've bought that I don't see that often is under eye mask. That one was 1.99 as well. And I also bought plumping lip mask. Like, I know it's not gonna make my lips bigger, but for some reason I bought it. And it's it's not really the brand that I know that much, but it's that sort of that Korean beauty sort of mask. And it's Vital Beauty for plumping lip mask with rise in sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate. Girl, don't know what the fuck that means, but sounds legit. Sounds fucking legit, girl. I went to Boux Avenue, and because I put on weight and my boobs obviously got bigger, I had to buy a new bra. And they were having some excellent discounts in Boux Avenue. Is that how you say it? I don't fucking know. I don't know. So I bought myself a bra. Just be careful, because it's gonna be that bra is humongous. It's literally bigger than my boobs are bigger than my head. Like, I look ridiculous because my head looks so small. My boobs look really big. So this look at that. Literally, you could put my whole motherfucking face in it. So this is the bra. It was discounted from £28 to £10. Another one. That one is really cute. Like, I have to say, it was worth the price. It was cheaper than the blue one, by the way. What the fuck? Look how nice it is. It does have like a frame in here, like they're not being totally loose, but the actual cup doesn't have any wires inside. £34 to £8. Oh, I forgot to show you that I've also got panties. They've got price tag on, so they haven't been worn. I'm just quickly gonna flash them because they're pretty big. Boop. They're actually that big. They're also bigger than my face, because why the fuck not? Jesus, I must look so ridiculous because my head is literally smaller than everything that, you know, is happening here. What the fuck? They have that cute little detail in there. They're lace ones. But as I said, I haven't worn them, so you don't need to be worried. G-strings for the black bra. So that's what's up. And the next set from Boux Avenue is this red bra. Again, I love this bra. By the way, I love this color, but so that's what I mean. This is my favorite red color. In the camera, it's way, way brighter. I think the reason for it is because I'm like, literally the sun just came out, and you know, this is the red bra and this is the matching panties. They're also like, what do you call it? Boxer pants? These are sort of pants. That's pretty much everything that I've bought. Please subscribe, and that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Bye!